Happy Labor Day, everybody. This is Clayton. I'm going to make a quick video on expanding a compost pit. I had pretty good luck with a small unit I bought from my neighbor, so I'm going to build a 2-bin system right here behind me. So the first thing I did is I just flattened everything out, and I'm going to bring in some pallets and show you how to do that. Here's a quick look at that 2-bin system I was talking about. You fill one side and tumble it probably once a week. Once it's full, just let that thing cook and start filling up the other side. It's pretty nice, but you're pretty limited on the amount of compost you can make. Alright, so I've already got a compost pile starting, so it's not going to be too difficult, but I'm just going to build right around it. So there I've got 2 pallets. These are 4x4 pallets up on sides, and I'm just going to set some screws in the corner to connect those, and then make sure the whole thing is level before putting up the other side. You don't need much for this project. I am gonna make it level, so I did bring a level out here. And then these pallets are made out of hardwood, so I may need to drill some holes before I drive the screws in. So I've got a drill out here for that, and I'm using 2-inch exterior screws just to hold the thing together. Alright, so I've got the 2 sides up, and it did actually drill pretty nicely without having to pre-drill holes, so the screws went in pretty well. The left side, I did have to build it up to, again, I do want to make sure it's level, so now I'm going to throw that 3rd side up and screw it home. Alright, so in my enthusiasm, I noticed I put together the 2 corners in different ways, so I actually did swap my first corner out. I've got 2 screws on each third, so 2 on top, 2 in the middle, 2 in the bottom, so it's pretty secure. I've got both sides done. I think it turned out pretty well. Now I'm just going to level it with soil, make sure it's level, and then work on the 2nd bin. Alright, so I'm realizing there's a little more of a slope to my backyard than I had anticipated. So I thought I was going to put my 2nd bin on the left, but I would need a substantial amount of dirt in order to build up that side. A lot easier would be to simply put that 2nd bin right there. So my second. Alright, so I forgot that I used one of my pallets for piling some wood, so I'm going to have to locate one locally. So on the subject of pallets, you can find pallets free probably all over town. I used to get them from an insulation company that must have gotten things in bulk. If you've got any small manufacturing companies, they probably go through a lot of pallets. Food stores, pet supply stores is probably where I'm headed today because they get a lot of bags. Alright, I've got the last side level, so we're just going to drive this thing home. Alright, so that's a wrap. I've got my 2-bin system completed. I still have my small tumbler for smaller scraps, but we're generating so much compost here that I need the more space for the garden, grass clippings, leaves, twigs, all that stuff. So this is a pretty easy system. If I would have had all the pallets available, it probably would have taken me less than an hour. And we're ready to start composting on a larger scale.